Hello, I'm Seamus, the CEO of TurboTenant. As we wrap up an incredible 2024, I want to take a moment to thank you for allowing us to be part of your investing journey. 2024 has been an amazing year for TurboTenant, and it's all because of you, our landlords. I'm so proud to share that over 700,000 landlords are now using TurboTenant. We've moved over $1.5 billion in rent payments between you, our landlords, and your tenants this year. And our mobile app has been downloaded a whopping 200,000 times. These numbers are a huge source of pride for us, as they represent the work we are doing to make the management process easier, and the faith that you have put in us to make that happen. This year, we introduced exciting new features: access management for seamless collaboration, digital condition reports for an easier move-in and move-out inspection process, and a mobile app for your tenants. Our Be Better Landlord Forum recently launched to keep you more connected to like-minded investors in your community. We also acquired REI Hub to help you all automate your bookkeeping and simplify financial reporting. Thank you for making this year unforgettable. From all of us at TurboTenant, happy holidays, and here's to a successful and exciting 2025. Cheers.